Hello guys, my name's Ed. I'm the O2 guru for the O2 store in Washington. Today I'm going to be going through with you guys an app called Assistive Touch for Android. Now this is an app that is made by a third-party company. It's completely free of charge. You don't have to pay for it. It works with pretty much almost all Android phones. And it is absolutely fantastic for people who have motor skill problems, or even people that are just having difficulty reaching certain areas of the phone. With phones being so big nowadays, with such massive screens, it's oftentimes pretty difficult to reach everything all the time, especially if you're in a hurry. So basically how it works is you can get it from the Play Store. It's called Assistive Touch for Android. It is by Assistive Touch Team. That is the name of the developers. You install the app and you get this icon right there. When you open it, I'm gonna let it load up. Now this is a free app, so you do get the odd occasional advert. So you just have to wait till it times out, and then you get that X button in the corner to turn it off. So you can, it's highly customizable. So this is the thing that's absolutely brilliant about it. Essentially what it does, it basically lets you add a button on your screen that is draggable, so you can put it in whatever place you find comfortable, and then you can customize it to basically change what it does. So you can change the layout of it. So you get two screens. You get a main screen and then you get a settings screen. Okay, you can customize what goes where in each slot. As you can see, you've got quite a few different functions you can add. I'm going to go through them in a second. The next option you've got is color, so you can change the color of it. So as you can see, if I change the color to yellow, when I open it, the background's going to be yellow. If I change it to black, when I open it, the background's black. You can also change the icon. So you can change it to white. You can change it to blue. You can make it a circle. Or you can even pick an emoji to have on your screen floating around, which is pretty cool. So I'll just change that back to that. In terms of gestures, you can choose what single clicking, double clicking, or long pressing it does. So at the moment I've got mine set as if I click on it once, it opens the panel. If I double click on it, it takes me back, and if I tap and hold my finger on the screen, it brings up my recent apps, which I think is brilliant. It's very, very useful. Obviously you can change the language and stuff like that. But in terms of customizability, so if I open it, you get multiple different options. So you have the home button. So if I click home, say I go into, I don't know, let's say YouTube, for example. If I press that and click home, it'll take me home. If I open it again, you've also got the option to lock your screen. So if I press that, the screen will go off. You've also got the option to click on clean, and what that does is essentially cleans the memory of the phone. It purges any memory that is being used temporarily, and it's cleaning it out for you. So for certain older phones that might make the phone a tiny bit faster. Now there is another section. If you click on favor, you get an option to add whatever favorite apps, the most frequently used apps that you use. For example, I've got phone, messages, WhatsApp. If I click on the plus button, it gives me a list of all my apps. As you can see, I've got quite a few. And say, for example, if I use, I don't know, let's say the clock. Right, now that's added that shortcut there. So whenever I tap on it, it just opens clock every time. Don't worry if you accidentally click on the wrong app and set the wrong shortcut, because if you tap and hold on the shortcut, it removes the shortcut and lets you change it to something else. So that's the favor button. So you can click on that and select whatever apps you want to open. If you click in the middle, it takes you back. Now the next button is settings. This is a very interesting one. So this gives you shortcuts to very specific, most frequently used settings that most people use. So if you click on volume up or down, as you can see, it adjusts my volume. If I click on flashlight, you probably not going to be able to see this, but it turns my flashlight on and off. The ringer at the bottom changes it from vibrate to silent to normal. Location, again, changes your location, your GPS to on or off. You've got auto rotate, Bluetooth on and off, Wi-Fi on and off. So these are all basic crucial settings that people flick on and off all the time, and this just makes it easier for you to reach them instead of swiping all the way from the top, trying to reach the top of your screen and then trying to use it that way. Now the settings I've set, so on my phone currently, if I open the Play Store, if I double tap, it takes me back by one step. If I tap and hold, it takes me to the recent app screen, which is pretty useful. And then if I want to go home, I just tap on it once and click home. So, and again, you can move it wherever you want, you can drop it wherever you like. It is highly customizable, so you can make it work how you want, instead of just having one that is like some phones have this feature built in, but it's pretty bare bones and it's very rigid. It doesn't let you change what it does and where things go. Whereas with this, you can customize it and tailor it to yourself. I hope that has been informative and that you have found this video useful. Give it a go, see how it goes, and that'll be all. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye.